Bw'omugusi.
Video mwancho murebe tasene Kyandizi TV ni gocaragire chinsa ikomi chabono margoba Shinga kingo kwarigania tumanya mwana maya senchera yuwenge bunabeire kagwatika ase omubasorero ngukunyoria unyale gotubwate witira senchera yemetandao asensemo ya Facebook awatunya buna Ndizi TV News digital kwa ikansa media ya YouTube na otore buna Ndizi TV News nabo igo ase website tubwate buna www.ndizitv.net nabo igo ni gota Sara Momanyi oyo kwaneki ngamarugene chibicha awekire asenchera yobwekirano editaria Nedorcas Ondieki Omorobiro bogo sangiria ebirengererio igoro yeri chikorio kurenda abagotu rio mwaka o 2024 nigo okorekana ase amagacho culture hall imeye county ya Kisii ase ekerenga ekenene kiaringe ekyoko sangiria ebirengere kurase abakenya erio kumanyanchira kibarachi gotumeka aso goikirania richikerio nyuma richikerio ritaraikiwa bosio bwebunge nigo richikerio abateri gosirwa ne serikali ye county ya Kisii amo nababwatani bande
Ediatele ane gonguru Lisa Lumogaka mo secretary we directorate ya social development assisted department ya social protection and senior citizen affairs ere tugato moyega Kenya ngima asichinse mo ikomi awao chioko tabia abana inji goro ye ilichi gotagete koleta tikolenda bagaka to the Older Persons Bill 2024 lichikeli liyetiguna na serikali egere serikali enene that's the national government county government wanyale gutwara chinguru chiokolenda bagaka ande gwakikishanga lichikeli lyabalendire.
My name is Jude Otogo. I represent Ethel Foundation for the Aged. I want to begin by thanking the government, represented here by the Secretary, Mr. Mogaka, for taking the initiative to put in place specific legislation to address issues affecting older persons in this country. Specifically, it's an opportunity for me to speak to the older persons about their rights, sensitize them about what their rights are, and of course encourage them to give very open suggestions, since this is the only opportunity that older persons have to articulate issues that they would like to see captured in that bill.
Njasa Marieta ankuru kwa Helen Kiriama kurwa tabaka se kyombege kurwa nga tabaka wodu wongosi wa Hutu ekyombe kyoge kwigerero bwene bwa mwanya bantu na maene unatua someru twaroringa ningi yere onye ndiya nyare kana ekereko cha kugenda parliament etigwe eberi chiko ekogera twarorira abantu baita bagotu baguchandika bono gaturigetie nga ekero riraete twegenire nga nonye ni ntwega turigerete go chiobogotu bono gaturiti customer cha go chiobogotu nabo turarendwe gwetera richika ekero riraete
Togo tigana nayo unagoska motwe togo egoikase county ya Miraniga ya mate ya mokorwa ase kinyorogia karantini ye kigo toka ase ewadi ya Gesimanigo emambiarero babo kabareno mwichano munene maigayo konyora engombe yabo Kenya kenyire na goika amarago sokiwa isiko kolengana ne amate ya nyamari onsare niga engombe ywe ere ya sagare ase gotebekana ebikore bitari ebironge byabeire bigokorwa ase ya mateyo nigobono yaboririe onde bwensi obwate engana baragani gosonsorana abanyale goikana amo na gosonsorana libaga liebikore ebyo ebikone ebyo bikogendera gokorekana ase ya mateyo.
na mandia gogo chigo kitia inge saa 12 omwana mukamo murogo chogontoro gonde mama boka na nyorire ng'ombe teribweri ona bokire nkame na nyorire ng'ombe teribweri ona rinko boka tugochaka koribia ng'ombe omwana na nyoro omwana omumuraga akarero gochese nigetemete no ateneine no atakonyore ng'ombe eyi ogo twakere simia gonde mama ng'ombe twanya na nyoriro chagebetire meyu aki oyo omwana oyagoserete gekoga omwana oyo okoreirwe bituka sama tukamange chimbori gagorete chigachaka gukwana chikuminyokia abantu chikuria abantu chinge bibenge ayi akaera omwana agaiterwe ng'ombe yaringe ntang'ani ayi akaera abana batari aria nona amanoga goikera bone ng'ombe ye no omwana ominto moete ng'ombe ye sagari ng'ombe yakonyira abana yakiniria abana lakini ng'ombe yaretira mang'ana amange agokwa omwana oyakoirerwa mang'ana ng'ae ng'ombe gechandegete aba bonsi bagendete koira mang'ana ese omwana oyo rituka aserinde goikera rituko riarere ng'ombe yatukire kebetire emeye na moche motebe omwana oya madeni abwata ino gaki nabo nari gwe sacrifice nkonye egera omwana onera atware etugo erenda abana baye gaki wa komoranche kenyoro ekenegente kebe mogikerie omwana oyo nera atware etugo ekorenda abana baye oyore goitwa ekige bana egesinye tugoikereta gekeye nasi kumanyanga no omwana oyo ore gokwa gose ne ng'ombe yabwate emechande esa abantu abare gokorera abantu babu ng'ombe yitone bugati ande ndakwana goikera bugaki kenyoro monsa
togotigana na yoyo goichana na goska motwika ya se kaunti ya Kisii nigo bonchereria bechiro ya daraja 2 bari no mwichano munene maiga y'omuriro gotuboka obotukobogo kiera rero ase chire yuna gusamba ebibanda bya bonchereria aboigoro ase basiritie emibo enyinge abo bisabo gosigasigera emibasoko no imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo batemete goikirana ase echire yo erio korimia omuriro ywe kurende nigo banyorete ng'a oikire gusamba ebinto ebinge nigo botuki bogendete nigo botuki bwachakiwe eri kumanya ningikirete omuriro yo gotuboka ase wikira boniga bataramanya ningikairete omuriro yo gotuboka nigo bono abanchureria abono baborire serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii go bakonya no bokonyi bonde bwensi eri okwagendera ne obiasara byabo.
Lietariane, yengo kusabate umbasambek. Nimbwate ke osiki yumba chana ya daraja 2, ahanga no musikiti. Lakini bono ene sabari akabere mwako ultora aera na ene no mwako na sabi. Bono ngakingo korata tabatari. Mami ndo mutako nkonya, serikali tako nkonya.
Sama leta ngoro ku Daniel, eno munya biashara aga daraja. Twaberere gase myake minga kini twetere mechandere menge nyomba chiaba toko chiko chaka toko imoka twasaba chiro ntoko beka akaigo twasambere nentunda yakabere twasambere ando omuriro yo sambe tumapema saa 3
no tomanyete aiga se daraja echiro gaiga ebinto bieto no tobegete gaiga butambe one iri arenge rituko rie chiro ekaro twaoniri totaite kosoka toenda ekaro twekire nyumba tumana koiguna omuriro soire iga daraja gaiga twabere tokoyibye yeruenga kientambe titwana korora bokonye
ne binte biyete na ebinto bono biaire serikali kora nje ingilia katikati usaidia wa mama wenye wako daraja bako erigeri ebinto gaki byasarekire ne binge
abere togo sabunya mbota chambie mutuka mange imwe ya kabere tuayo togo chana sana no ishiro nte mugeti kwasinje gwakana ase jo ninki toko tweka twasibeka ande twayorwa kaki serikali tegete kange twagate buye totabingi kikenderete use twagatubeta konye
n'abanya biasara baminto bonse bakoye n'abana babo bakorera sengenjo babwati kenda kere bagocha abayuri bagocha bosa ga kisimbarat dora otorolera ndwa mabera egere bidebirane na bali baito bakore biasara ga banyona barokende batamere nyumba
abarai korwa sobomo bwazimio ni gobono besokire na kugikiria ebikore bya abanyanyimbo chingaki chokorobekana ime yomocho Nairobi aboigoro amone nsengima yensito ya Kenya bakura no morai bw'ikyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni gobono bamotire abanyanyimbo asogotumeka chinguru gwetani ekerengo aya maiga yomosae oyomo oyumanyikaine buna Alex Kanyi oyobono osireti ebugima bwaye maiga yokagirwa agwa kwa risasi na omonyanyimbo abugoro chinga kibaringe okara okorobekana kwa finance bill y'omwaka w'ekiribwibire n'emirongo nenye na kiribwibire n'emirongo naisano asebano baganire abanyanyimbo okwene kingati bari gotumeka chinguru gwetanie kerengo ekeraba Kenya bagendrete kurobekana igoro y'omoswado y'obwikibesa.
Rex, like all his comrades, was peaceful, unarmed, and non-violent, but he was senselessly gunned down by a police bullet. This is a tragic event with far-reaching consequences. Our coalition is extremely disturbed by Rex's fatal shooting. We have far too many memories of these tragedies, and our thoughts and prayers are with his family, with his friends, and the community that has suffered such a terrible loss. We stand with Rex, his family, and his comrades. We pledge to offer all our help required in seeking answers and justice. We demand that these perpetrators of police brutality be arrested and charged with murder before a court of law.
For the media, I think we want to thank you for the highlighting of this very successful protest by the Gen Zs. You are also victims. Many of you actually got injuries. We say poorly to you, but we are also saying you must join us in taking action against this police brutality. And we're not just talking about our local media, the international media also. I saw one international foreign reporter who was injured. And we are happy that the international media took interest in this matter. We saw Al Jazeera, we saw CNN, and we are happy with that coverage and support that we received. But however, we are still very concerned that the international community, our partners, have been very quiet when there have been blatant violation of human rights.
Chinga kichuwaigo ni gobara ya bobo mwazimio wa muganiria umotineri wa banyanyimbo wase Inspector General Jafet Kome wetigia emeremo rimorioka kubatikana na obokorari wa banyanyimbo asibikole byabeire bikonekiwa bya abana inchi babeire bagotigirwa chingoma chimbegose abanyanyimbo babeire gokagirwa gutumeka chinguru gwetani ekerengo asebono bamuborire wetigia emeremo yaye ase ogotekerani emeremo yaye boikirano.
Coalition or as a party will take disciplinary measures against those particular members because, as you have been informed, our own Secretary General communicated to them what they were supposed to do, and unfortunately they never did that. Some of them are using local politics about the finance bill. Finance bill affects all Kenyans, does not affect a particular local community. So we have to come together as Kenyans and make sure that Kenyans get the right thing that is supposed to help them prosper as Kenyans in the future.
To the Inspector General of Police, we demand that you resign. Koome, we know that you are vicariously liable to the murder with malice aforethought of one Rex, and therefore you must resign, and the DPP must institute a criminal charge of murder against your person.
Togotigara ase obokoreri bwa abanyanyimbo nigo bono ekiombe kiokorigereria obokoreri bwa abanyanyimbo kia aipoa nigo bono giachakire obotuki aya maiga ya okoraswa gosedio gokagerwa okoraswa risasi goika ogokwakwa omosai oyomo asereta Rex Kanye gosebo igomanyikaine buna Masai oyibono obete kagoseria obogimwa bwaye abugoro chinge kibarenge ase okorobekana ime yomochi o Nairobi goro yorobote oserwe omusoda obwe chibesa o 2024-2025 korengana ne kiombe kyo nigo bono kirachi gotuka na kia abanyanyembo babire bakora emirimo yabo chingaki cyo korobekana ime yense ase chikaunti chinyinge cyabachi gukora okorobekana ko ase bono barachi korigereria na kibabire bagwikirani emirimo yabo nonya nabo korengana ne kiombe kia okorigereria gosikyo korwato kabokonye kia Red Cross nigo bono egoteba oseke egoteba mna nigo abantu batano na batatu baigetiwe gose bamenyetiwe gwika chinyagitari abatigeire chingoma chintindi gose bare hari maututi asa abande emerongo etatu na kyanda asbono batigiretwe chingoma chinde bagendete konyora obogwenia ase chinyagitari ime yense nigo bono kiombe kike epokera chikobwatoka orobote naki abanyanyimbo babeire bagokora emirimo yabo gose nigo babeire bagotumeka chingoro chinyinge gwetani ekerengo goche ase abananchi chingaki cyo korobekana kwa finance bill yo mwaka o 2024-2025. Mwancho murigeria aiga nongoikera omweri wa mangana maya senjera yobwenge kurende ajaiga amona yanda mange ayutegendete gukwarigania no chikonyanyora chikoraga ense ya moya bono maragoba asenjera yobwagare ereteria ne Dorcas Kimoma nanigo tobwatrana nere Sara Mumanyi oyo ne kinga marigine chibicha agoikera senjera yobwikirano twara oburigerio bya Imeyandizi TV nabo bwansu bomugusi